Life can throw challenges our way that might feel overwhelming, but remember, strength isn't just about being tough, it's also about being brave enough to face what comes your way with an open heart. Think about a time when you faced a tough situation. You might have felt scared or unsure, but you pushed through anyway. That's strength. It's the ability to keep going even when things get hard. And guess what? Every time you do, you grow a little stronger. Being strong doesn't mean you have to do everything alone. It's okay to lean on your friends, family, or even a mentor. Surround yourself with those who uplift you and remind you of your worth. Together, you can tackle anything life throws at you. Also, remember that it's perfectly okay to feel vulnerable sometimes. True strength lies in acknowledging your feelings and seeking help when you need it. It's not a sign of weakness, it's a step toward becoming the best version of yourself. So, as you go about your day, carry this thought with you: you are capable, you are resilient, and you have an inner strength that can shine bright in even the darkest moments. Embrace your challenges, learn from them, and know that every step forward is a testament to your strength. Be proud of who you are and what you're capable of. You've got this. Thank you.